let's go through. The first is obviously a sparse sort, which means that you need to use titration. Okay, so how do you do titration? You do by adding HCl, AQ, plus KOH, AQ. What's KOH? It's potassium hydroxide. And then you're going to get KCl, AQ, plus water, and it is balanced. Okay, titration done. Number 2, magnesium sulfate. Is this a sparse salt? No. Is it soluble? Yes, it's soluble. So I can use the add to excess method. I use magnesium metal plus sulfuric acid H2SO4 AQ. I'm going to get MgSO4 AQ as well as H2 gas. Balance. So which one is the one added in excess? It's the metal excess. And why is it that we can add this in excess? Because this metal is insoluble. I can filter it out. And I can fully react all my sulfuric acid and I only have this in solution form. So what I'll do is I'll do filtration first to filter this out. Then I'll do crystallization to crystallize out this. Okay? Can? Everybody's okay?